Tina. I'm Tina. Now we are on step 8, and for this step, we will design and implement our response object. And for the response object, I will try to keep it as simple as possible, which is not like the Tomcat HTTP server response. There's one issue is because do you still remember? Let me show you. Okay. Let's go to OneNote. Take a look at HTTP protocol response. Okay. Let's go here, and this is the request, and for response object, I will keep it really simple. And for response object, first take a look at HTTP servlet. Because HTTP, no, sorry, not HTTP server, HTTP protocol, and response. The specification, what I say, response is the first line will tell the HTTP version. I hope this one is correct. And then status code 200 or 404, 404 or 500. This is the three I use the most. Okay, like not found, right? And this one is the internal server error. Okay. And here we have the response headers after this response, and we have like content length. We are trying to return, like suppose is like this 1K, and the content type. Content type is text. Suppose is HTML. And it will have others. Okay, and after that, in the response, we might have we may have returned the information, right, which is a body, response body, here. Then after headers, here we'll have a line blank line, and it's kind of like a window style, which is like this. This is the line break for this part. Okay, and after that, here we'll have the response body. Response body, like the information like HTML, like head. I was looking at if my video recorded everything here. Then body, and then body and HTML, right? And in the body you can have some information, hello from Tina. Give you a heart. Okay, give you 3 heart. Okay, like this. Okay, so this part gonna be the response body. Got it? This is response body. And because of this line breaker, if we give like a set header or the information in our response, and later on we're trying to reset in our do get or do post, it doesn't work well, because of the line break. After the line break, HTTP browser will think all the things, no matter you set a content length, content type, or status code, you will think it's part of response body. That's why here I will try to have our response object very simple. Okay. I haven't thought a solution for it. Probably if you understand, and let me know. Okay. So far, I just keep it simple. Okay. So for our response object, I will just give we just give one is a raw out stream. output stream, which is a row 1 row, okay, output stream. The other one is we can give a print writer, so they can using the wrapper like a print line and a print. Okay, this is the design, and this video gonna be very short, so let's also implement the response object. But for testing this response object, I plan to test after we implement service. After we implement service, we can actually do the test. Okay, so now let's go back to our IntelliJ to implement it. So here we will have a response object. Okay, we just implement, and we will do others later. Okay, so here we will have a private output stream out, and a private print writer, and still same as request, we have a customized constructor output stream out. Okay, and this start out equals out. What did it say? Oh, stream. Oh, wrong. And this start print writer equals new print writer. Okay, and then we will generate two new out, no print writer here, out. Okay, and here we will generate two get method, this one and this one. So in a response, we can get the out, and we can get the get output stream. Let's use this one. Out is not a good name, right? Get output stream. Okay, so later on when we in a do get method or do post method, we can from response to get the output stream and print writer, then to push the things out. Got it? Here has a very important thing is this one. For the print writer, you can don't do like this way. Sorry. Hey. What? Okay. Don't do like this way, because if we would do this way, every time you will have a new print writer. But for output stream, we should always using that one, right? Which is the one from the socket. But for this one, every time you will get a new one, you're gonna have some problems when you actually push things out. Okay, so be careful to do it for the print writer. Okay, so that's it for the response. And later on, this is pretty simple. I don't think it need to actually do a lot of testing. And later on, when we implement a service, we can come back and actually to test this. Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you in next video. Okay, bye bye.